How to install and running Steam on your Mac. So the first thing, you want to open your browser, either Safari, Chrome, or anything can go. And then on the Google, you want to search for Steam. And then you want to go to this store steampower.com. You want to click on it. And then right here, if you have your account ready, you can just click on login. Here, you can go with your account name and your password, or if you don't have the account, you can scroll down until this new to Steam and then click on create an account. And then after you sign up or sign in your account, you want to go to the top of your screen and then choose this install Steam and then click on install Steam. Click on allow and then let it download. And then you want to go to your Finder right here at the bottom left of your screen. And then you want to go to Downloads. And on this file name steam.dmg, you want to click on it. And then you want to drag the Steam to Applications like this. And wait for a bit. And then you want to go back to your Finder. And right now you want to choose on Applications. And scroll down until you find Steam, like here. You want to double tap on it. And click on Open. And then you want to wait for a bit for the Steam to download the application. And then after the Steam is fully downloaded, this will be a notification. You can just click Don't Allow or OK. And then after that, you want to sign in with your account name and your password and click on sign in. And then you want to choose the code that was sent to your email. And there you go. Your Steam was ready to be played. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.